handles will be given to everyone. YouTube handles, everyone's making a big deal about it. Let's see what the hype is all about. Like so many content creators, I too like to share where you can find me. @TayTGC, @TayTGC, @TayTGC. For many creators, YouTube isn't just a place to upload and comment on videos. It's a community, a home base. That's why today we're introducing handles, a new way for people to easily find you and engage with creators and each other. Every YouTube channel will have a unique handle, making it easier for fans to discover content and interact with creators they love. Yeah, at least that's what you'll find on YouTube's official blog. Putting it simply, YouTube is just getting in line with other social media platforms using handles like Instagram and Twitter. Handles aren't a new idea or concept, but it's good that YouTube is finally using handles. So when you give out your channel, you can just give someone your handle and they can go directly to your channel. And it's not like YouTube's custom URL when you had to have at least 100 subscribers to make one. Most likely your handle will be given to you based on your channel's name. So if you have a super unique channel name that you want as your handle, more than likely YouTube's going to give you priority to make your channel name your handle. So you'll be able to use your handle for your Instagram, your Twitter, and your YouTube, and they'll be able to find you quickly. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow @TayTGC.